Hello everybody, I'm here in front of you. Yes, Mr. Mark. Today I'm going to give some important hint about reading skills of IELTS. Reading model is the challenging model in IELTS for many. Okay, so that it is highly important for you when the academic reading passages are lengthy and based on scientific topic involving complex vocabulary, generally training reading. Okay, passages are simple to understand but questions are quite confusing. So to get high band score in IELTS reading section, okay, and to help you overcoming the hurdles you face while attempting reading passage, below are some of the reading tips which is most important for you. Okay, let's learn the important and useful tips on reading models. Right, first one is very much important for you. Okay, keep on reading to improve your grasping power. Okay, collecting power, I mean, let's see here what is the matter of that. Right, if you have the habit of reading a number of books or online materials, it will definitely help you a lot in the reading test. If you don't, you can develop this habit by reading textbook, magazine, newspaper and articles online. This will help you in grasping the written context in less time, and also you will improve your concentration for half an hour or so. Try reading text on a daily basis is part of your exam preparation. Tips number 2. Prepare a reading strategy. For your success in exam, it is extremely important that you prepare a reading strategy and implement the same in the exam effectively. There can be a number of reading strategies from which you can adapt the one which works best for you. For example, if you think solving the third section first helps you again confident instead of doing it at last, use the skill as per your comfort level. Tips number 3. Practice mock test. Solving a number of mock tests from Cambridge IELTS books, IELTS websites or other materials shared by your training institute. Always remember that practice is the key to your success in the exam. It can't be the case at all that you hardly do practice of one or two reading passages and you can get high band score. After solving every practice test, you come to know your weak points and silly mistakes. The more you are aware of your mistakes before exam, the better it is for you, since you can then avoid them during the exams. Silly mistakes is not okay allocated in your practice sessions while reading. Likewise, okay, it is most important. Tips number 4. Manage time effectively. My dear, it is plan and strategy. Plan how you are going to divide your time effectively for completing the 3 sections. Prepare a time-based reading strategy and practice accordingly. Let's say you have 1 hour for your reading test, which you can divide as per 20 minutes each per every section. Keep in mind that time is crucial for success in reading, so do solve the questions with focused mind so that you can complete them all within the time. Also keep an eye on timer to stay updated how much time you are left with. It is most important factor of doing IELTS reading practice. Tips number 5. As for these tips, stay concentrated and focused while completing a passage. Concentration is the most important key. That skill developed and will help you toward your target band score. Devote time at home for building up your concentration. Okay, and that's level by reading text and practicing strictly, keeping the timer with you to get the feel of exam. The more focused you are while you read the passages and solve the questions, the more likely and accurately you are able to solve your answers. Okay, this is most important. Concentrate and focused topic and tips. Likewise, it is your 6 number tips. Skim the passage properly. Okay, skimming is the first major part of the reading text. It is nothing but reading the passages effectively. At the time you read a passage, just try to understand the time you read a passage and understand more than what it is in your mind and the ideas what it is there in the paragraph you read. Okay, getting a general ideas and overview of each paragraph is what we call meaningful read. One essential tip to skim a paragraphs is to keep in mind the first and last line of the paragraph. First line and the last line of that paragraph is the most important while skimming your text. Okay, next one is 7th number, underline keywords. Okay, practically what is going to help in the reading text is when you underline important keywords in the passage and the questions as well. It is another way of gaining focus using abstract reading that makes you getting closer to find the answer. Some facts, figures, capitalized word, etc. are the important common which are done under the reading skill. And also underline keywords when you read a question and try to find those keywords in the passage to identify the right paragraphs that you will refer to finding your answer. It is 7th number tips do underline of keywords. And next one is 8th number tips for reading passage. Follow the scanning process carefully. Alright, after skimming the passage, scan is the next major element of reading text, and this is area that makes the difference when you find out answers correctly. You follow a particular process for scanning. Firstly, use keywords from question to locate the right paragraphs. Read the paragraphs to locate the right statement that refers to that questions, and then read the located statement to find the right words. Keeping in mind the words instruction is your answer. It is most important tips scanning. Okay, here another important tips. Tips number 9. Always find answer in order. Orderly, it is sequential answer is there. A very basic thing that most of the students are simply unaware about, that your answers follow the same order in the passage is per the order of your questions. So if you have found answer to third questions in second paragraphs, you would not get another answer to fourth questions in first paragraphs. Make sure about that. In almost all the questions you will find regularity like this, which can be an advantage for you for finding your right answer accordingly or sequentially, right? And another most important tips, it is known as 10th tips for reading. Understand paraphrasing and vocabulary. Okay, I mean that guess the meaning. It is guessing meaning. I mean that. Okay, like here, your questions in the reading text are paraphrased, which means that different words and synonyms are used in the questions. So not every time you will find the words match with the words in the passage. You may have to understand the questions and then try to locate the right and high rate of paragraphs by understanding the synonyms. In this case, if you are not aware of the exact meaning of the particular word, even then you can solve the questions merely by understanding the complete statement and guessing the meaning. That is very much important task, and complete the statement and guessing the meaning of that given complex word is the most important tips for you. Now next tips is highly important. It is known as 11th tips for reading task or skill. Pay attention to the focus of question. In the question there is one of or other words that you can consider as the focus of that question. This word will help you find the right answer. You just need to identify the kind of words in the question. Let's take an example for this. Some examples. What is the major reason why the author did not revert back to his friend. Okay, here option A, he did not want to continue friendship. Option number B, he found social networking boring. And option number C, he thought it was worthless to speak to him. Okay, so he did not intend to have any negatively again. Now here is your paragraph. Okay, though I am not very fond of Facebook, but last night I just signed into my account and saw that my friend had sent me message on Facebook whether I would like to be in the partner or not. After a very long time, I could hear from him for a get together. Last time we met with each other, there was a huge argument after which I couldn't get in touch with him, right? Though I wanted to meet him as well, but as I was out of town and did not want to say no to him, I okay kept to meet him while a reliable answer is there. That is okay very much important. And I came back to my place and then we had a grand party together. The focus in the above questions is major reason, though all the reasons are somehow applicable, but the major point is that last option is for the underlined statement in the above paragraph, so that it is highly important. And tips number 12, guess your answer grammatically as well. Okay, grammar is highly important. By looking at the question itself, you can come to know whether the answer would be a noun, adjective, verb, number, or a word, etc. This will help you a lot in identifying the right answer, as grammar plays a very significant role for the same. Also, you can find out whether your answer is to be a singular words or plural words, which is what many of the times found that students are not transferring an answer correctly, missing out writing yes for a filler words. That is keep to the things in your mind. Okay, tips number 13. Yes, it is important tips. Keep the instruction in mind. Instructed what it is there. Word instruction is as important as finding the answer. Let's suppose that your instruction is one word only, but if you have mistakenly written two words as your answer, it would be marked wrong then. So be careful about given instruction. It is better to underline the instruction to like keywords. That is highly important for you. Tip number 14th, transfer answer carefully. It is highly important. Your answers in almost all the cases are to be the same words that you choose from the passage, though sometimes you have to change the answer grammatically. For example, changing from a verb. Do not manipulate the answer in any way, or do not even write synonyms in its place. When you write the exact answer, then only you get the right mark. Also, prefer transforming answer continuously, simultaneously, or after you complete one section rather than doing it at the end. 15 number tips. It is highly important. Let's see what is the 15 number tips. Attempt all the questions, sincere. And since there is no negative marks for a wrong answer, it is highly recommended that you should not leave any answer as blank. If you don't know the answer, guess it rather than leaving blank completely. Who knows what you are guessing comes out to be the right answer. And guessed answer, you can mark that question so that you can review it later. And you can get at the time. If you get confused on a particular question due to nervousness, or since you are running out of time, first try to handle it patiently. If that not works perfectly, first try to handle and do that things very nicely in time. Time is too much to spend solving that single question only. Just guess it and keep on continuing with the rest of the passage. Okay, this is highly important. What tips I mentioned here is important for you, my dear juniors. You can learn, you can get the idea over here. Okay, this is highly important. Saying this much, okay, have a nice time. Okay, be cool and solve the upcoming times questions. Best of luck.